Hi guys, this is Alicia Batra. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is Sunday and I am here in the morning at Shobha Realty's office, Dubai. And I thought, why shouldn't I give you more insights about the latest project, which is Shobha Central, located at Sheikh Zayed Road. So this is Shobha Central by Shobha Realty, located at one of the prime locations of Dubai, Sheikh Zayed Road. This project, Shobha Central, offers 6 stunning towers with 35 plus world-class amenities. So now you can choose from 1 or 2 bedroom apartments in Shobha Central, and you will be getting stunning views of iconic Dubai skyline, sea and lakes. So it was launched at the price of 1.5 million dirham with a payment plan of 60/40. Now what's more eye catchy about the payment plan is that you had to pay as low as 10% a year. So it happens to be just 3 minutes from the metro station and just 10 to 15 minutes from the JLT Marina and downtown Burj Khalifa Business Bay. And I want you to have a look at this model. Look at the facade of it. It is ultra luxurious. This is Shobha Central Mall, which comes at the podium level, and also it is directly connected to the units via private elevator, giving an exclusive access to the residents of the community. So जैसा कि मैंने आपको अभी मॉकअप के टाइम पे बताया, शोभा सेंट्रल का जो पेमेंट प्लान है, that is something which is more interesting because I mean the project is getting ready in 2029 and the payment plan is 60/40, which is basically the standard payment plan of Shobha in every project. Now the catch here is that आपको you have to pay literally as low as 10% a year, which is like nothing if you're buying a property in Dubai. आपको 60% भी upfront नहीं देना है. So if you want me to give you a detailed breakdown of the payment plan, the email address is mentioned below. My phone number is mentioned below. What you can do is you can, contact me over there. You can put in your requirements and I will personally get in touch with you. We can arrange a Zoom call also, and then we could discuss about your requirements and I can give you a detailed breakdown of Shobha Central, the payment plan, the pricing and the best unit. So let's meet in the next video with a new project, new insights, new information. Till then, bye, take care.